Hello everyone! In today's video, I just bought this PC power supply for only 129 baht. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're gonna tear it down and see if it's actually worth the price. The seller claimed it's still working, so let's give it a try first. Alright, here's the AC cable. Let's plug it in. And wait a second, I've already connected it to the house power. But man, it's dead silent. Why is it so quiet? I've tried turning it on, but it just won't start. The switch is on, but it's doing absolutely nothing. Great start. Let's check the inside. Judging by the exterior, wow, it looks like it's been sitting in the dust for over 10 years. Still nothing happens. Let's check the inside. The seller said there's a warranty, but I'm just gonna strip it for DIY parts anyway. Man, this warranty sticker is tough. Actually, I should have just unscrewed it from here. Wasted so much time scratching it. Whoa, take a look at this. Surprisingly, the inside looks pretty decent. Seems like it's been clean. Let's figure out why it's not working. Looking at the back of the board, I don't see any burn marks. How can it not power up? First, let me discharge the 400-volt capacitor for safety. Okay, what is it stuck on? Alright, I've done some quick measurements. The fuse is fine and the bridge rectifier is okay too. I suspect the MOSFET might be dead. If the MOSFET is down, this isn't going to be worth it. I'm going to desolder them one by one to see if this 129 baht junk is actually a good deal for DIY spare parts. Now I've desoldered all the essential components. Here's the board after stripping it down. Let's estimate the value of these parts to see if it beats the 129 baht price tag. For the cables, I'd say 25 baht. For the scrap board, maybe 5 baht. The total value I calculated is around 196 baht. Is it worth it? We bought it for 129. But when I asked the AI, it said these parts are only worth 30 to 50 baht. So, not really worth the money, but definitely worth the experience. What do you guys think? Is it a steal or a waste? Let me know in the comments. Alright, if any of you are looking for power supplies or electronic measuring tools, I'll leave the links in the description below. Feel free to check them out. That's it for today. I'm heading out. Peace.